Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about try, catch, finally block. How do you intercept and thereby control the exceptions? In your Java application, how can you find or intercept and control the exceptions? Okay, it should, the intention should be the application should run smoothly even there is an exception happens. That is the intention of try block, catch block, and final block. Okay, there are few exceptions that might shut down your system, or for example null pointer exception and all. It might about your application. So how do I control, how do I find out, how do I handle it properly in your application? So we can do this by using try, catch, and finally blocks. What is exactly try block? Try block, you place a normal processing code in the try block. So this is the try block. The meaning here is I'm putting the code. I have to place the code which I'm suspecting that there might be a problem, because I'm trying to read a file here. This file might not be available, so I'm suspecting there might a problem. There might be a problem while finding out the file from the hard disk. So I'm just putting the suspected code in the try block. Okay, because file is not there, it doesn't mean that the system should shut down. Okay, if the file is not there, fine, there should be an alternative way I can handle and continue the system running. That's where the try block comes into picture. So we can put the normal processing code, and I suspect there might be a problem. Okay, so I'll put that suspecting code in the try block. Then you put the code that deal with exceptions that might arise in try block in catch block. So in the catch block, you doubted some code. Okay, there might be a problem and it might throw an exception. Okay, handling the exception you can write in the catch block. So catch block means I have placed some code, there is a problem, and I can catch and handle it properly. Okay, then finally block, the code that must be executed no matter what happens must be placed in the finally block. I don't bother what happens in this try and catch block. Okay, I want to execute this code, so that type of code should be placed in the final. Basically, if you want to do some cleanup, releasing the resources, say here we are doing the buffer reader, releasing the resources. Say if you are using some database operations, you can release a database connection, something like that. So whatever you want to do cleanup, you can put the code in the finally block. So this is the use of try, catch, and finally block. Okay, so recap, whatever the code that you have a doubt that it might throw an exception, put in the try block. Catch block, put the code that can handle this exception that happened. Final block, irrespective of whether it runs catch or try block, I will run this. So final block should have some cleanup or something like that. Okay, hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. If you like this video, please press the like button. Thank you.